Hi, Jai Reid from O'Brien Real Estate in Mornington, and welcome to this Saturday's weekly property wrap, being for the weekend, the 25th of August. This week we have some great off-market opportunities for you to look at, so make sure you stick around and have a look at all of those. First, let's have a quick look at last weekend's REIV's reported auction clearance rate. Last Saturday, the clearance rate was 57%, which is a decline from the previous weekend of 62%. It is also down from 77% at this same time last year. We also wanted to take the time to say a big thank you to the Mornington Auskick for allowing us to come on as the major sponsor for the 2018 program. O'Brien Real Estate have been cooking a sausage sizzle for the kids, and it's been great to see a smile on all their faces. Now to this Saturday's open times. Come down and view the beautiful 3-bedroom home at 22 Settlers Way, which will be open again from 12 till 12:30 on Saturday. Also at 12 to 12:30, 38 to 40 Verdon Street will again be opening. This one's on 1,576 square metres. Positioned right on the beautiful Fishies Beach and Lilo Cafe, 5 Rodney Court Mornington will again be opening its doors from 2 to 2:30. At 3 to 3:30 p.m, we will again have 75A Barclay Street Mornington available. This 1-year-old townhouse is fully fitted out with its own elevator and rooftop balcony. Now for this week's off-market properties. We've got a great new off-market listing being 4 Carvey Drive in Mount Martha. This 3-bedroom home's on approximately 700 square metres. Keep your eye out and have a look at this one. Thanks again for watching this week's property update. Keep an eye out for next week's video as we have multiple new properties hitting the market.